welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to trim my bangs again. I did it a couple of months ago and I'm sick of them, so now we're going to cut them again, so you might as well watch me cut them. I'll show you how I do them. Last time I did a side swept back. I was trying to grow this bit out. I'm sick of it now, so this is going, and I'm gonna just sort of tidy that bit up there as well. So I'll just show you how to do it the way I want to do it. I'm going to kind of wear my hair in this part here because I've got a double crown and it sits best like that. Now you'll have to excuse the grey hair and all the choppy colours because I have got so many colours going on in my hair, it's not funny. I do need to put it back to one normal colour, which I'll probably do this week. So I've got a little bit of grey showing through. In fact, it's a whole mess. Anyway, I'm going to sort the fringe out first. So if you're doing this at home, obviously your comb and your pair of scissors. Okay, so I'm going to section it off. I've got to look in this mirror at the same time as the camera. So I'm going to cut all this bit that I've been growing. It's taken me like a long time to grow this bit here. And I was going to do the slicing in and do it all choppy. I'm still not ready to do that. So what I'm going to do is section off what I don't want to cut. So I'll do it like this. And yeah, it's a big move. Like I said before, when I was going to cut it before, play around with it before you decide to do it, because once it's cut off, it's cut off. So be really sure that you want to do that. Okay, so I'm going to do it, and I'm going to have a bigger kind of halo part across there, which is like the curvy bit, which is the fringe bit, or the bang bit. So I'm going to just make that more even. So all the hair obviously is going to stay, which is going to stay there, and that's all going to stay. And I've also, because I've got some grey hairs, it looks like it's all bald in this part here. It's not, it's just because it's the regrowth showing. So it looks like a bald spot, but it's not really. Okay, so I can't see very well at all. So I have to part it a little bit. I could probably do it in two, because it's quite thick hair. I'm going to do it in 2 stages. I'm going to section that off there. I'm not going to do the twist one what I did before. I'm just going to section that off there. And this is what I mean by the little bald patches. It really is because it's grey there and it just needs to be all tidied up. So here we go, and no regrets. Let's see, the first way, I'm going to just lift it out, I think. I'm not going to cut it straight across. I'm not going to curve it. I'm just going to do it this way. I don't want it too short. I'm just probably about up to there. Okay. Now, here goes my long bits. Like I said, it's taken me ages, but I'm going to do this. I'm going to point cut though. So it's a little bit more, not so blunt anyway. Okay, this is the big bit. And let's have a look. Yeah, I'm just going to go straight across this time. Okay, so a little bit of tension on there. Just find your guideline from the other bit there. I'm just going to point cut that in. Okay, this is live on camera. Do not want to cut it, but I am. Here we go. That's it, it's gone. Oh, it takes ages to grow that. Never mind. These things have to be done. And this side, can't really see it much there. And obviously, make sure both sides are the same. And again, obviously, don't cut too short. You can always go back in and cut a bit more off. Okay, and then just that other section. You could probably even lift that. Let's lift that one up and see how that looks. Yeah, I'm gonna do it this way. Okay, so we're just gonna, don't start, Max. No, Max. I might bring it down. Hang on. Okay, oh sorry, you can't see that, but I'm going to chop into that like that. Okay, needs to be done in a few stages. There's long bits and there's the short bit. Max, okay. I think if you've got a really thin fringe, you need to have it, you might have a little bit of gaps in the forehead and that, so you probably need to go a little bit thicker. And again, I'm just chopping into, try not to cut my fingers, like that. So, yeah, because I've got on those cowlicks on this side as well, so you've got to be careful that you don't cut it too short, because that will spring up. So, I guess I'm sort of happy with that. Just double check on that. You can also, oh, you can just watch what I'm doing anyway. Just tidy that a little bit up there. There you go, cut my fringe. And no, just got the flat irons here. So what I'll do now, I'll just quickly flat iron that a little bit. I'll give it a little bit of a bounce. So we're ready to go. Oh, I can see again. You can even make this thick, like bouncy underneath, or you can just do it really flat and straight, depending how you like the look. Okay, so I might go a little bit straighter just there. It needs to blend in with that little wavy bit that I've got going on there. You can see now. That's good. Yep, and what we'll do, we'll just curl a couple of these bits as well. Give it that slight little, oh. Yes, I really need to colour the my hair. It's just so many multicolours at the moment. I've got too many colours. I've done a bit brown, but it's with the golden highlights as well, and it's just gone a bit funny. So that'll be my next thing. Do the hair again. All right, just give it a complete brush through. See how it sits. Oh, we can see. Okay. Quick hair tutorial. Do you like that? If you do, give me a thumbs up and please subscribe. Yep, I'll just show you a close up of how that sits at the side. I feel much happier now. I can see, and this side, it looks like that. Okay, nice and easy. Just need to know what you're doing. Anyway. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.